Hi, get ready with me for school again. And today, let's wear something brown and white and something na hindi ko pa nasusuot before sa school. And it's this brown skirt. Yeah, it's brown. Na-excite ako sa kanya kasi parang siyang, it's giving fairy core. Kasi wala akong parang fairy core-ish na white top na pwede nating, i-pair with this. But let's see. This is the skirt. And of course, ukay to. Hulaan niyo how much. For the white top, I don't know. Kasi hindi ko talaga, ano ba kasing babagay dito? The thing about this, hindi lang siya like sando ganyan kasi it's a dress. Like it's a long dress. That's why, kita din yung white niya sa baba. Do you see the vision? Yeah, kasi wala na akong ibang top. Wala na akong other white top, so it's a dress, yung ginawa nating top. Again, sana natin ng headscarf. Wala akong headscarf. Panyo. Let me see if meron akong white. This is the only panyo that I have. And ginawa ko na lang siyang headscarf. And ganyan siya. Ganyan itsura natin today. And I like yung layer ng white kasi it gives off, a different kind of fairy-ish. Fairy-ish. Isa lang yung pasok ko today, which is Spanish. And this is not giving Spanish. This is giving ako yung sasakupin ng Espanya. Look at her fit for school today. The bag. And the best thing about this is, lahat to, ukay. Yeah, this white dress underneath, this skirt, this and this boots, ukay. Exactly. This is our final look for school. Tchanan! I actually really love this. So, I'll do my best to take photos. So, see you on Instagram. Bye-bye.